Hello and good day. This video is meant to cover the setup and usage of the Freescroll-Macro that we provide and allow you to use across all three Dishonored games. You'll find links and everything else related in the description of the video. We'll be covering the use first, as it's the same in all three games, and then Dishonored 1 specific setup afterwards. So first off, you want to go to speedrun.com, any Dishonored page will do. We'll use Dishonored 1 here. Go to resources, click the Freescroll emulation link, and you will find this. Click the zip, download it, and just unzip it wherever you want. You will find these two files. I already have it here. And this is what it will say. This means space. So this, the default bind is space, and default bind is mouse down. What does this mean? It means when we press space, it will spam the mouse down button. So we'll open the macro. Right here. Just open it. This is what it'll show you. We'll go here. Options, controls, keyboard mapping, and we can see that jump is already at wheel down. That's the input we want to do. Good. And when I hold space, you can see on the bottom left, it just spams scroll down like this. Great. That's it. But Sarah, I hear you say, I don't want to bind it to space because space is dumb. Fair enough. You can also go here on this GitHub page. You can click the Dis2 macro and go to this key code thing here. I also have this linked in the description. Let's say you want to, for example, V is very common when it comes to DH1 and 2. So let's find the key code for V. Here, great. Let's copy this and go to the config and just paste it here. Great. Let's save it. And now when we go to the game, when I hold space, nothing happens. When I hold V, well, if we booted up the fucking macro first, it's going to spam the button. That's how easy it is. If you want to use up instead, what you just do is just type up. Then you save it, boot it up, and now when I hold V, you can see it holds scroll up, which is interact. And that's how easy it is to do. So for Dishonored 1, you need to do a bit more. So let's keep it at V. Let's take that out. And you need to go to your PC, Documents, My Games, Dishonored, Dishonored Game, and Config. So it is not in the game installation file folder. It is actually in your documents. And here in the config file, you will find Dishonored input.ini. You can just search for scroll, and you'll find these two lines. It might say something else for you. I'll be copying this to the description as well, so you can just copy and paste it on top of this. So what this says is MouseScrollDown is jump, like you might expect. So we're doing a double binds here, and we also have, if you do it this way, we also have jump on spacebar right here. So this is how you get double binds for Dishonored 1. Then you just change this, and we have the V macro here. So if I were to boot up Dishonored 1 right now and hold V, we would jump. And with space, it would be normal jump. That's how easy it is. So pick up your key and just do that. That's absolutely tits easy. Anybody can do this. Good shit. Go and speedrun the video game, okay? Don't submit too many times though, because I'm fucking drowning. Feels bad, man.